So for my M113K intercooler Bosch water pump, they don't sell the pigtail harness, but I had originally come in and ordered the rubber ring and the plug, which is the rubber ring, this green sealant here, and the plug is this small electrical connector, this terminal here. And one of the techs looked in the back room and found a cable that already had it pre-installed with a factory crimp on there. Originally this was one cable, and I just simply cut it down the middle here. So now I'm just going to test and see if this plugs into the connector housing and works properly. Here's the part number for this cable, 000-540-2605. My only concern would be is that this insulation is not made of rubber, but rather feels more like a PVC hard plastic type material. I snipped off a little bit of the end here. It looks like it's a aluminum wire inside, which I don't think that's going to be a problem. But I'll simply crimp this end onto the end of the connector, and we'll see how that works.